Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, September 13th, and then 8:30 just happened. We had the core number come out for the U.S. Big number, red core CPI month over month was greater than expected, 0.3% versus 0.2. CPI month over month was the same as expected, but year over year was higher, 3.7% versus 3.6%. We do at 10:30 have crude oil inventories, and at 1:01 have the 30-year bond auction. We also have the federal budget balance at 2 p.m. But the big number, of course, was the CPI number. We'll look and see what kind of reaction we had intraday. That being said, looking at the daily here, still like this potential head and shoulders pattern. Where could it go? I think we could easily test the lows from a couple of days ago. This low volume node at 44.81 is definitely within reach. On the top side, there's a little cluster of highs, a little low volume node right there at 45.39. Those would be my two best guesses for the day. Looking at the inventory, yesterday inventory was down and price was down, so it's totally correlated. Nothing to write home about there. Looking at the intraday, looking for intraday. Wow, look at the monster move here. Overnight, we had a really narrow range of only about 12 to actually about 14 points. That's a very narrow range. And then here is the CPI number. Initially, it looks like they did not like it going down below the 44.95 area. And now it's somewhat recovering. We'll just see how this all pans out. CPI being higher is not good. Maybe the Fed may not be done raising rates. We'll have to wait and see. Levels for today. So where do we have resistance? So we've got some resistance around 45.33, some good resistance around 45.48 and 45.65. Support, we came right down to support and bounced off support right around 44.96. More support at 44.74 and 44.59. So wild number here to see if it ends up coming back down and taking out this low. Number was not good. Remember that after a news event, you want to sort of wait and see what happens before you try to make a decision, because it can still go crazy in the next few minutes. Also, usually the first direction that it goes is the direction it goes after that. So if the initial was a big spike down and it's recovered some, it's probably going to continue to go down. That's all I got for you today. Have a great day. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.